Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Skilling Preparation course. Today we are going to see about the text box features in Microsoft PowerPoint. Text box is a special type of shape that is designed to place text within your slides. When adding the text to the PowerPoint presentations, we sometimes limit to using only the placeholder boxes that are present by default when we add a new slide. In this video, let us take a look at the additional features available in it. Working with the text in PowerPoint is easy. It is similar to working in a Word document. You can insert a text box by selecting the Insert Box option from the Insert tab. With the dot surrounding the text box, you can directly resize it by dragging it. You can also rotate the text box using the rotate option. Once you have inserted the text box, you can start typing in it. Else, when you click somewhere else in the slide, the created text box will be lost as you see here. Always remember that if there is any title to your slide, you can format it in such a way that it looks different than the other text, so that it will be highlighted in your presentation. You can also add the text boxes in different shapes. To do this, you have to click on Insert tab and select the shapes and select the shape as per your wish. You can place the shape anywhere you want and you have to drag it until the size is large enough to hold the text that you will type. Now you can start typing in it. You can also format the text boxes by adding color and changing the font color. You can also change the effect of the text boxes by clicking the Shape Effects option. You could see a variety of effects available here. You can insert a text box or click on an existing placeholder. Your cursor will appear inside the box and now you can start typing. You can use the spacebar on your keyboard to add spaces, and if you want to start a new line, you can just press enter. You can press backspace to delete. You can also use your keyboard arrows keys to move the insertion point left, right, up or bottom. This is useful if you need to move few spaces or lines at a time. But you can also jump over the entire words at a time by holding the Ctrl key and pressing left or right arrows, as you see here. If you make a mistake, you can always use the undo button on the toolbar and to undo the last action. And to the right is the redo button. This allows you to reverse the last action. Now, let's take a look at formatting options such as font color, size and alignment. All these are important as formatting can make your presentation look more professional. To format text in PowerPoint, you can select just the text and format, or select the entire text box and format everything inside it at once. You will find lots of different features here. You can choose a different font color, different font size. If you want to change the alignment of your text in the paragraph group, you can find options including left, center, right and justified, which can be used to align the paragraphs. With this group, you can also change the text direction and add or remove bullet points from your text box. These are all great ways to customize your text. You can also insert text inside callouts. This can be found under the Insert tab and select shapes. Here you can find a variety of options. Here you have to select the callouts option. Select any callout you want and you have to drag it to the slide as per the size you want and release your mouse. As you can see here, a callout is inserted and you can directly start typing inside it. You can format it by adding colors, effects and text colors as you wish. You can also insert equations in your slide from the Insert tab and selecting equations from the symbol group. As you see here, some formulas are available here by default. You can select any one from here, or you can find various options in the symbols and the structures group. For example, to type a formula, I am selecting a script from the structures group and I can start typing inside it. This is a very easy feature to use. Now let's talk about importing a slide from a previously created PPT slide to your existing presentation. If you want to add any slides from another presentation to your existing presentation, you can simply go to New Slide, click this drop down option and select the Reuse Slides. You can only import slides from your local computer. Once you select the Reuse Slide, you can see that a window is open to the right side of the presentation. As I have already imported a presentation, you can see the slides of that presentation here. You can simply click on the specific slide which you want to add to your existing presentation. You have to enable the checkbox Keep Source Formatting so that the slides will be imported with the exact same format. Once your import is completed, you can close the Reuse window and start working with your presentation. You can delete any text box by simply selecting the text box and clicking the delete option from your keyboard. Hope you have understood the features of the PowerPoint and you will use them in your next presentation. Thank you.